we'll now query HubSpot. So HubSpot is obviously my favorite one to query, being, well, CEO and sales are focused. So I can see how many new leads have we had today. And from there, I can also query how many users are across those leads. So it being an enterprise offering, we do a separate package for Gloria on that, and we'll bespoke it more to the business aside from the out-of-the-box product. But also we can see how many free trials have started today, and obviously we want to make sure that's keep going in the right direction. So you can see this week we've had 23 new leads come through, and we've had 48 new signups. From this data as well, like I've just said, we can obviously analyse that and produce documents, reports, and also create Excel files, PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, all from the application itself.